Welcome to Brainy Bites Info. Today in this video we learn MCQs about women reproductive system. Let's get started. Which organ is responsible for producing eggs in the female reproductive system? A. Uterus, B. Ovaries, C. Fallopian tubes, D. Vagina. Correct answer is B. Ovaries. What is the process of releasing a mature egg from the ovary called? A. Fertilization, B. Menstruation, C. Ovulation, D. Implantation. Correct answer is option C. Ovulation. Where does fertilization usually occur in the female reproductive system? Option A. Uterus, B. Fallopian tube, C. Ovaries, D. Vagina. Correct answer is option B. Fallopian tubes. What is the muscular organ where a fertilized egg implant and grows during pregnancy? A. Testosterone, B. Insulin, C. Estrogen, D. Adrenaline. Correct answer is C. Estrogen. What is the muscular organ where a fertilized egg implant and grows during pregnancy? A. Cervix, B. Uterus, C. Fallopian tubes, D. Ovaries. Correct answer is option B. Uterus. What is the term for the monthly shedding of the uterine lining in a female? A. Menstruation, B. Fertilization, C. Ovulation, D. Implantation. The correct answer is option A. Menstruation. How long is the average menstrual cycle? A. 15 days, B. 20 days, C. 28 days, D. 35 days. C. 28 days. What connects the uterus to the outside of the body? A. Fallopian tube, B. Ovaries, C. Cervix, D. Vagina. Correct answer is D. What is the primary role of progesterone in the female reproductive system? A. Stimulate egg production, B. Prepare the uterus for pregnancy, C. Initiate menstruation, D. Produces breast milk. Correct answer is option B. Prepare the uterus for pregnancy. At what stage in life does a female stop menstruating, making the end of her reproductive year? A. Menarche, B. Menopause, C. Puberty, D. Ovulation. Correct answer is option B. Menopause. What structure in the female reproductive system dilates during childbirth? A. Vagina, B. Cervix, C. Fallopian tubes, D. Ovaries. Correct answer is option B. Cervix. How many ovaries does a typically female reproductive system have? A. 1, B. 2, option C. 3, option D. 4. Correct answer is option B. 2. What is the outer layer of cells that protects the developing fetus in the uterus? A. Endometrium, B. Amniotic sac, C. Placenta, D. Cervix. Correct answer is C. Placenta. What is the term for the early stage of a fertilized egg after it implant into the uterine line? A. Embryo, B. Fetus, C. Zygote, D. Blastose. Correct answer is option C. Zygote. Which layer of the uterus is shed during menstruation? Correct answer is option C, endometrium.